So how do we actually use GameSir Connect with Tarantula Pro here, as you can see? Well, to be able to do so, you need to firstly connect your controller to your laptop or PC, either via the dongle or via the cable that you were provided with when you purchased the controller. So I'm going to use the cable because I believe it's the easiest thing to do. And then the USB-C end obviously needs to go in here. Sometimes it's a little bit annoying, but yeah, you can see now it clicks into place. And the USB end, of course, needs to go into my PC here or laptop. By the way, you're not able to actually do so if you're connected wirelessly. For some reason, it doesn't connect to GameSir Connect. I've tried it and it's not gonna work. So just use the cable or dongle. And you can see now it instantly connects to the GameSir Connect app now. And in here you can see you can upgrade your firmware. You can reset it here as well. There is a bunch of options for us here. You can, for example, change the dead zone here. And yeah, you can just play around with the settings exactly how you want to. And basically that is exactly how you can use your GameSir Tarantula Pro here with your GameSir Connect.